Good evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Thursday, September 30th, 2010. Today we had a total of 5 executable trade signals for a max potential of 11 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only. It is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups, give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed through our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, we opened up at 45.75 and we immediately started trading higher up through our Globex high, pulled back down towards our moving average in our open, and right at 942 the Chicago PMI came out, and you can see there was a immediate jump in the charts. Now there wasn't any trading signal set up here. There was an opportunity to take a news trade to the long side for a few ticks there, but we did not get our first trading plan set up until we cut back through the moving average. It was a fast move down here off that 1153.50 high, and you can see with the speed of this move we ended up getting an extension short that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 9 ticks as the market moved back down towards the opening price. A little bit of a bounce there at the 10 o'clock reversal time, just bounced up into the moving average. There was also a longer term bounce there off of the 20 EMA, and you can see that as soon as it hit its moving average, it rolled back over, continued its downside movement, came down, actually touched the 40 EMA, and also I believe it was R1. It was either R1 or R2. I can't remember right now, but it was also the 40 EMA. Took a nice bounce off that level again, moved up to our moving average, and continued its downward slant. Finally found a little bit of support here, came through our moving average, gave us an opportunity to get long. Unfortunately, we just made an equal high there. We didn't make a new high. Ended up with a T1 minus 2, but on that stop out, we actually rotated back through the moving average, set up a signal short at the 10:45 confirmation time, which ultimately, if you didn't get filled initially on 45.75, there was another opportunity to get back in, but it was touched 4 times here, and ended up hitting T1 and T2 to the downside for 9 ticks, and it continued to trade down all the way through our daily pivot and below into our 11:15, 11:30 reversal time. And you can see during our 11:30 reversal time, it did not find any support until we made it past the Globex low. Started putting in a little minor lower high, lower low, but there wasn't an opportunity to do anything with the next trade because we were in the dead zone. Between 11:30 and 1:15, we do not initiate any new trades. We just kind of sit on our hands, let the higher volatility and what typically is lighter volume run its course, and then at 1:15 we start looking for opportunities again, and we did get an opportunity to get short after this big move down to the moving average. It went down to yesterday's low, bounced off yesterday's low, and we actually had a signal to get short. And what happened? Cut right through us. It was a T0 minus 14. It cut right through the moving average, went right up to the daily pivot, and before it found resistance, which ended up in a T0 minus 14. Off of that resistance on the daily pivot, though, it did pull back into what would have been a signal long, which ultimately produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 9 additional ticks, and then that was it for today. So all in all, not a bad day. Took a full stop out there mid-afternoon, but other than that, there were still 5 trades total for 11 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room and video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or simply click the link at the top of this screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.